Welcome to Dustbane. Today we're going to talk about restrooms, the variety of different types of restrooms that you may run into, and how to best care for them. So as we start to look at different types of facilities, there's going to be different types of restrooms. There'll be women's rooms, men's rooms, gender neutral rooms. You could have a variety of different office types, restaurant types, factory types, and hospital types.
So today we wanted to talk about tile and grout and how you deal with that. So one of our number one products that you see for brightening and whitening your tile and grout and bringing it back to that beautiful luxury experience that your guests anticipate is using a hydrogen peroxide based product like our Oxy DST. It is perfect on floors, and the hydrogen peroxide is designed to lift that dirt out of this tile and grout. Now you always want to pair that with the right tools. So we also have the Doodle Mop, which is an electric mop that allows you the down pressure on the floor to really break down any of the film and residue that may be remaining on your floors, or its companion, the Doodle Scrub, that allows you to scrub into those deep crevices that are in your tile and grout under some of those tight areas like a urinal, a toilet, sink areas that can be really challenging for a cleaner to get to. As we think about some of those most common areas that you're going to find in every restroom, obviously we're going to start with the toilets. You always want to clean those toilets first to allow the product to have the right dwell time to really break down any of the minerals, dirt, or bacteria that may be looming in your toilet. So in this washroom, because it's an office area, we don't have a high level of risk of exposure of contaminants. What we would be using is Polar to clean this washroom, a great cream cleanser that is going to keep your porcelain and all of those areas fresh, clean, and safe. So within your bowl, you're typically going to apply your Polar around the inside rim, let it cling to the surface. It's going to run down while you're cleaning the rest of your washrooms. We may want to disinfect that toilet, the seats, the high-touch areas with a product like our Oxy-Q in its disinfectant format at a 1 to 20 dilution rate. This is going to be a perfect companion for this area. There's a floor drain here, as you're going to find in almost every facility, is that you get this odor that comes out of the drain. It's an off-gassing. You want to find a way to get rid of them. So we like to use BioBac. It's an enzyme-based cleaner that's going to eat the organics at source. You can use BioBac in any of your areas where you might have odors, grease, or any organic buildup. Now, we always recommend pairing the right microfiber cloth with that right product. So in a washroom space, you do not want to have cross-contamination. You always want to use a red microfiber cloth. Beautiful fixtures put into many facilities, but boy, can they be a challenge to clean. So our recommendation is that you clean using Azure and that you polish using a stainless steel wipe periodically. Now in your washrooms, there's going to be some other common areas like mirrors and faucets that you're going to want to polish and shine. Azure is an excellent option for you. Now, the beautiful part about Azure is not only is it Eco Logo, it also has no ammonia and no alcohol. It goes a long way. You're going to spray your Azure into your blue microfiber cloth with just a couple of squirts and then wipe down those surfaces to get them clean and shiny. Dustbane has a number of different hand soaps available to you, but our most popular is Tradition Plus. This Eco Logo foaming soap is unscented, and again, a little goes a long way. This jug is going to give you roughly around 12,500 pumps per jug, which is a lot of hand soap. Customers expect a clean and lightly scented space when they are typically in a washroom area. So we'd like to demonstrate the Hour Fresh 2.0. This is a beautiful type of dispensing system where you have a cartridge that goes in, fully recyclable, and lasts for 30 days. Each one of these cartridges comes with a 30-day battery, so you don't have to worry about a mist that's coming out and landing on your floor. It also matches our urinal screens that you would see, the 3D shield, in your urinals in the men's washroom.
Dustbane. Give meaning to your cleaning.